Hey everyone, I just thought we'd do a quick little video. I wanted to show you, we've got these radishes here and they've been growing almost 2 months now. So I thought we could just go ahead and harvest them because this one looks like it's actually about to flower. And I don't know if that's a good thing. So let's just go ahead and see what we got here. Start right here. I see a nice one kind of popping right out of the soil here. Yeah. Okay, solid, good start, good start. See any others? Now this one's got a thick stem on it, so we'll try that. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look at that. All that. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Where's the rest of it? Where's the rest of it? Okay. Dude, another one. This is my radish. This took 2 months to grow. I got a green thumb. Let's keep going. Oh my God. Another one. Bulbous. Look at that. Let's keep it going. Let's see what else we got. We got some better ones in here, I think. Another radish. And let's see. Okay, try this one. This one looks good. We haven't gotten to the one with the flower yet. We're just kind of picking out our I don't know, guys. I don't know. Think it's gonna be a big one? I don't think that's gonna be a big one. Wow. What causes that? Why are some of these not growing bulbs? Like, it's been 2 months and I've been pretty diligent about watering, especially when it's hot. I'll come out and water in the morning and I'll check them in the evening, make sure they're not. Radishes. Come on. Kidding me. Dude. A bounty fit for a king. No. Wow. My green thumb. Now let's keep going. Let's keep on. Oh, this one. This looks promising. We should have. Is that all roots? Look at that. I mean, good color, I guess, but. Alright, let's get to the flower one. This is the one with the flower. A whole lot of nothing. Dang. Let's see what else. Got like 3 left. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Nothing. Our last little chunk right here. We'll just throwing stuff down. Damn, dude. I didn't get anything. Look at more nothing. I use plant food too. Like, I don't understand what the. But let's just go ahead and show you all the big radishes we got here. Maybe I could go to the farmer's market and sell these at a premium price. I was so excited too. Look at these leaves. They look so good. They smell good. But there's nothing on them. Damn, dude. Has anyone else had problems with their radishes this season? Anyone? Because I would feel a lot better knowing it isn't just me. I gotta feast for this year. What the fuck is this? These are the only two. So out of about 12, 15 plants, I got two. Not even the size of my thumb. Well, I'm gonna call that a bust, but I had fun. A lot of lessons learned for next year, I guess. Maybe I'll try a different location, bigger pot or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But thanks for joining me. Have a good day, and I will see you guys next time.